Installation, adjustment and testing of infrared beam reflective smoke detector. Firstly, program the infrared beam smoke detector with handheld programmer. Then, adjust the detector. Take off the protective film for the surface of the reflector and the cover of the detector. Be careful not to scratch or contaminate the reflectors and detector surfaces. Remove the upper cover of the detector. Connect the detector to the bus loop. Hold the debug handle close to the detector snake read-on interface board. After the laser is lit, remove the debugging handle. Adjustment wheel rotating frame on the adjustment detector. Point the visible laser at the reflector. Observe two digital tubes. Display numbers 0 到99 indicates that the current received light intensity is weak. You need to continue to adjust the detector until it shows P. The green indicator light is always on to indicate that it has been lined. Close the detector cover. The green indicator light of the detector should be on at this time. If the green light is shining, please continue to adjust the detector until the green light is normally on. After debugging is completed, use the debugging handle to approach the debugging area of the upper cover of the detector. When the yellow indicator light continues to light up, quickly remove the debugging handle so the light is yellow. Green light goes out. The red light is shining slowly. It shows that the detector was successfully debugged. If not, please repeat the above steps. Take off the protective film on both sides. Test false alarm function. When the detector is in the normal monitoring state for 20 seconds, no alarm area with shutter. Close the non-alarm area of the light blocker to the emission window of the detector. Hold for 30 seconds, no alarm issued. Close the alarm area of the light blocker to the emission window of the detector. The detector should report fire within 30 seconds, and the red indicator light is on. Close the fault zone of the light blocker to the probe's launch window. The yellow fault indicator of the detector should be lit. Remove blocking. The detector's yellow fault indicator should be extinguished.